Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a group on Snapchat on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store and then update your Snapchat. Afterwards, open the Snapchat app and then swipe left or click on that chat button. Afterwards, click on that compose button and then click new group. So, in this section, you may search for the people or the users that you want to include in your group. So, select those users and then you may also input or change the name of the group. For example, Squid Game. Click Done and then click on the bottommost button which says Create Group. And there it is. You have created a group on Snapchat on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.